Hi, it's Jason Gorman with another rookie mistake video. When I'm coaching software developers in Codecraft, I like to work with them on new features and change requests or bug fixes or refactorings. But oftentimes I'll hear developers say, I've actually got nothing to work on at the moment, Jason. They're waiting for requirements or for a task to be assigned to them or to be given permission to work on something. This is a sign of a dysfunctional culture of software development. Teams perhaps see themselves as factories churning out features and bug fixes, or as order takers waiting to be told what the customer wants. And when there is no next task, they often feel the need to look busy. Commonly, we find ourselves delving into Linter or SonarQube reports, looking for issues we could fix, whether that has value or not. I see software development in a very different way. For me, it's a highly collaborative problem solving process, and developers should engage with users and their problems proactively. Go down to the shop floor, whether it's a metaphorical shop floor or a real one, and meet the users in their natural habitat. See and experience the problems for yourself. Your developer brain will instinctively look for ways to solve them. Don't wait for someone to tell you what the solutions are. Not only do we need to understand how the business works and what the business goals are, we need to become active participants in the business and in the problem solving process rather than passive order takers. You are not waiters. You're there to help improve the restaurant.